This happens to be in a smaller bedroom upstairs, and there is a door behind me here, which is a balcony door, opens up to the driveway. And my client wanted to be able to go ahead and look outside, open the door, and have it be functional. So these drapes do seem to work quite well for that. I also went ahead and picked up that look, and I carried it over the windows by making these small cornices to dress up the room that sort of matches the bed, and it works really well. The room should be done now for the time being. This client just moved in. They're gonna need some more art to fill up the room. However, though, all the colors seem to go really well together for time being.